Hello. In this video we will be showing you how to navigate through the Groove Music resource from the University of Oxford Press collection. Now that you have signed in to access this resource, you should find yourself on the following page. Groove Music includes over 52,000 articles on music research written by almost 9,000 scholars charting the diverse history, theory and cultures of music around the globe. If you just scroll down the page, you will come across the July 2022 update section, where I'll tell you in a paragraph how many articles have been published, updated and revised. Of course, this section will be updated monthly. If you scroll back up to the top of the page, you will find the menu tab on the left side of the screen, opposite the search engine. If you highlight the topic tab, a drop-down menu will appear, providing you a list of subjects such as audio engineering, music education, music theory, sound studies, to name but a few. If you highlight the instrument tab, a drop-down menu will appear, providing you a list of options such as aerophones, electronic instruments, keyboard instruments, etc. If you highlight the Era tab, a drop-down menu will provide you a list of options such as medieval, early Renaissance, classical, to name but a few. If you click on the Region tab, a drop-down menu will appear, giving you a list of continents to choose from, such as Africa, Asia, Europe, etc. But for the next example going forward, just to see what overall content is available for you to access, we'll simply click on the Advanced Search button, which can be found next to the search engine. You should now find yourself on a page like this. On the left side of the screen, you will notice the Advanced Search menu. Just scroll down that menu until you come across the Availability section. To see what articles and images are available for you to access, simply click on the Available and Free options, and then click on the Update button below. You should now be taken back to the top of the page, where you'll notice that the results will have changed automatically. For the next example going forward, we'll just click on one of the results, for example 77, to be taken to the following page where we can read that article in full text format. You also have the option to view this article in a PDF format. Just simply at the top of the article on the right side of the screen, underneath the search engine, you will find a PDF icon. Just click on that, and then you can read the article in a new tab in a PDF format.